Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to review the Zega Drone, an awesome piece of technology that you don't want to miss. If you're into drones, this one will definitely blow your mind. So let's dive into it. Description: the Zega Drone is a unique and portable drone that comes packed with features that will elevate your flying experience. One of the things that really stands out about this drone is its security features. It has a built-in system that prevents unauthorized access, making sure that your drone and data are safe and secure. So if you're worried about your drone being hacked or stolen, the Zega Drone has got you covered. Another impressive feature is its real-time FPV, first-person view technology. This means that you can see exactly what the drone is seeing in real time, allowing you to capture stunning aerial footage and photos. The video quality is crystal clear, and the drone can transmit the signal up to a range of 100 meters. This is perfect for anyone who wants to get into aerial photography or videography. The Zega Drone also has a gravity sensor feature, which is a unique way to control the drone's movement. With this technology, you can control the drone's direction by tilting your phone or tablet. It's incredibly intuitive and easy to use, making flying the drone a lot more fun and interactive. And finally, the 360 a key roll feature is simply amazing. With just a press of a button, the drone will perform a 360-degree roll in midair, making it perfect for anyone who wants to impress their friends or create some cool aerial tricks. Overall, I think the Zega Drone is an awesome piece of technology that's definitely worth checking out. It's perfect for anyone who's into drones or aerial photography, and its security features make it a great investment for anyone who's worried about their drone being hacked or stolen. So if you're interested in buying the Zega Drone, check out the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel for more reviews and tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.